Hi guys, today we're going to build this dump truck. Now we're going to start off with one of this. You place it like this over there. And then you get one of these pieces. And then now put it over here like this. And do the same thing over here. Now you get one of these pieces. And then you put it over here. But I forgot something. I need to put two of these. Now you get one of this piece. And then put it over here. And then you get one of these big pieces. And then flip this like this. Like this. And then place it like this. Now you build one of these pieces. I already have them built, so yeah. And now you get one of these pieces. And then you you don't get this. I'm just pranking you guys. You get this. Now you put it over here. Now you put one of these over here. Now you get one of these pieces. And then you put it over here like that. And then you get two of these pieces and put it. It's pretty hard to put it in. Now you get another one and put it in. Like that. And then you get one of these pieces. You get two. Remove this part. Put this in like this and like this. Place one of the parts here and then another one over here. Now you put this to the side and then you get one of this. And then one of this and place it in like this. And then you get and then on this you put it in like this and then put it like this. Oh yeah, and then these two have to be facing the right side. Now you get one of these pieces and then you put it like this. Do the same for the other side. But I forgot you need to put this. Now you get 4 of these pieces and put it over here. Over here and over here. Oopsies. Now, oopsies, you attach it. Oh yeah. Now you get on this pieces attached like this. You get, and then then you put it with that. Then now you put it like this. Put it like this. Now you get 2 of these pieces and then you put them like this. Put one over here. Wait, something happened. Then you do it for here. It's the same. It's pretty hard to put it in. Now you put it in. Now you get another 2 of these and put it in like this. One at the end. Oopsies. Some fell, but it's okay. Then you put another one over here like this. And then now you get one of these pieces and slide it in like this. Now put that to the side. Then get one of these pieces. Then put one of this like this. And now you get one of these pieces. Then now you get one of these yellow pieces and put it in the middle like this. Well, before you do that, you need to remove it, put it, and then put this over here. Over here. Like this. Like this. Like this. And then we put two of these pieces over here. There, and there, like that. Like this. And now you get one of these pieces and put it in like this. And then you attach this over here like this. We attach it properly. Like that. Now you get one of these T-shaped parts, and then you get one of these pieces, and then slide them in like this. To only one of them. Then you join them like this. And then you attach it to this part. Like this. And then now you get another one of these and you tie to fit in like this. But this is pretty hard. Now you get two of these pieces and then two of these pieces. And now you put them like this. Then do the same for the other one. Like this. And then put them over here. So yeah, like this. Sorry for the interruption. And then now you get one of this, and you get one of this. You place this one like this, and then you place this one like this. Then now you build these pieces, which I already built. Place them over here. Then do the same for this one. And now get two of these parts, put them over here like this. Basically do the same thing which is over here. Now you get one of this and one of this. Attach them like this. And then we place it over here. And then now you get one of these T-shaped parts and put them over here. And now you get one of this part and this. You place this over here, and then you place this one over here. And then you put this to the side, and then you get this. You get one of these pieces, you put them like this. And then you get one of these pieces, put it in over here. Now you get one of these pieces, put it on over here. Like that. And then you build another one like this. And then you cut one of these pieces and put it over here. And then you get this back, and then you put this part over here and this part in here like this. You put this part over here and you put this part in here like this. It's pretty tricky though. Now place this to the side, and then you get one of these pieces. You place them over here, and then you get one of these pieces. And put them right there. You get one of these pieces and put it over there. Like that. But the hole needs to be facing this side, where the thing is facing there. And then you get one of this. Then you put it over here. And then get one of these pieces and put it at the end. And now you attach it over here. You just figure out. Like this. Like this. Then you get this, place it in the middle. It's not. Then you get one of these pieces, place it over here. So you move this moves like this. Now place this to the side. Get one of these pieces. Put two pieces over here and over here. And then you get one of these pieces and put it over here. You get another one of these pieces. Put it over here. And then you pop this back and place this part over here. Oh yeah, and I forgot. Put this over here.